In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way to finding your Shopify store ID through the platform's settings. This is a fundamental task that can come in handy for a variety of purposes, including setting up integrations, troubleshooting, or simply becoming more familiar with the Shopify platform. Let's dive in. First things first, you want to start by opening a web browser. Any browser of your preference will work just fine, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once it's up and running, head over to the Shopify website. You can easily find it by entering Shopify into your search engine and clicking on the first result, or by typing shopify.com directly into the address bar. Now that you've reached the Shopify homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Enter your email and password, or use any single sign-on options you might have set up, and navigate your way to your store's admin dashboard. This is generally the main control center for your store, where you oversee inventory, fulfill orders, manage customers, and much more. With the admin dashboard open, let's focus on locating your store ID. To do this, you'll need to make your way to the Settings section. You'll find this by looking to the lower left-hand side of your screen once you're inside the admin area. It's usually denoted by a small gear icon, making it easily recognizable. A quick note here, your Shopify store ID is a unique identifier for your store in Shopify's database. While it's not something you will frequently need, it becomes crucial when interacting with third-party services or API connections that require this identification string. Once you click on Settings, you'll be taken to a new page filled with different customizable options concerning your shop. But don't worry, we don't need to touch any of those today. Simply take a glance at the upper left corner of the page, just beneath your store name, and you should see your Shopify store ID displayed there. It tends to look like a combination of letters and numbers, and just like that, you've successfully located your Shopify store ID. Remember, it might not feel like the most exciting piece of information at first glance, but keep in mind that having easy access to this ID can simplify many processes in the future. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Shopify. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below and I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.